Hello viewers, today I will be installing the CD DVD-ROM drive. The DVD-ROM drive is fairly easy to install. What you do on this model, you just slide it through the front. Some models, you have to slide it to the front from the inside. But you slide it in on the tread and just push it in. After you do that, you have to plug the SATA data cord into the back of the DVD-ROM drive. Apparently this one is too short, so I'll be getting another one. Alright, I have the replacement wire, slightly longer. Make sure you put it in properly. Once you pop this in, you plug it into the DVD drive.